How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and fix the issue of not receiving your WhatsApp verification code. First, make sure your network signal is strong and your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on. After that, double check that the phone number you entered is correct, including the country code. From there, if the SMS is taking too long, tap on Call Me instead to receive the code through an automated call. At this point, go to your home screen and long press on the WhatsApp icon, then tap the Info or I button. And the next step, tap on Permissions and make sure the phone permission is set to Allow. Following this, go back and tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache and try verifying again. Once done, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off to refresh your network connection. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, then request a fresh verification code. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you fix your verification code issue, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.